Alright guys, welcome back to Hundley TA. It is Wednesday and SPY continues to dump. There's still nothing really to talk about there until it hits this zone. Bitcoin got rejected not once but twice at this zone. Looks like it's really being held down, but it is forming itself a nice little uptrend right there. So we'll see how much that stays in play. But yeah, just all across the crypto market we have a pretty green day, which is kind of surprising. We have some crazy gainers like YFI and Maker. Those two seem to pop off a lot, seems like. Yeah, let's just jump down into Forex here. ERCHF, this one, yeah, just got stopped out. Unfortunately, just didn't have the momentum to get down to my profit target, and I was too late to exit in profit at that zone. So, but we did break a new resistance zone, and in doing so, we broke this downtrend here. So I do have a long trade ready to go if it does return for the retest. NZD CAD. This one bounced pretty nicely. It is starting to turn down a little bit right here. Makes me a little nervous, especially just talking about this situation here. So I'm going to keep a close eye on this trade, or try to. If it doesn't look like it's going to reach my profit target, I may just end up exiting the trade. I may even draw like a more localized zone like here. If it, I'd like to see it stay above this, obviously, but if it doesn't, then I may be looking at taking profits there. Euro USD stopped out. It's kind of too early to tell if this is just too tight of stop loss or just a random spike out of this zone, kind of like it did here actually. So that could have just been a bad trade, but that remains to be seen. Odd CAD, same kind of trade here. It is a bit bigger of a dip here, but it is looking like it's rejecting right now, so we'll see how that one goes. GPCHF, I really liked this setup. We'll see if it can make it down to my profit target here at this zone. But I think if the price structure holds up, it should. Here JPY had an initial rejection here, and now it's climbing back up to retest it. It's not. I'm a little nervous about this one because it is got a pretty strong uptrend, pretty strong bullish momentum. If you remember, this one has been held below this zone since 2008. So I thought this would be a good zone to trade at. But man, if it just had, if that little rejection there is all it had from this zone, then man, that's kind of crazy. Your NZD, not sure what there was to talk about this one actually. I think it's this, yeah, the short up here. Didn't quite reach it. Might have just had a misdrawn zone here, but either way, did not get filled. Odd NZD broke down beneath the support zone, hoping it comes back for the retest. And GBP NZD, hoping for a long here at this zone. It's a pretty strong zone, other than a few crazy spikes beneath it. And yeah, I mean, you could say my stop's a little too tight there, but I don't want my profit target getting too ambitious here, because like if it does some choppy stuff like it did here before, I want a modest enough take profit so I can exit out after it bounces, so I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll have to expand my stop, but either way, it's a pretty good zone. I think it should hold up. NZD JPY, this one I'm just keeping an eye on. It's looking like it's breaking this zone, but it's not like super strong, so I haven't quite placed a trade there yet. NZD CHF, this one, as if this gets rejected at this zone here, I'd like to pick up a long at this one below. And yeah, that's all I have for today. Yeah, please leave a comment down below of what you guys have been trading lately, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe on your way out. Thanks for watching, guys.